Have a guess where I am. Brother. Who's this bloke?
What? Yo, mate.
Here today at Nick's house. If you guys don't know Nick, Lawrence Good Nick on Instagram and YouTube too, make sure you guys check him out. But today, we're just hanging out.
Hanging out.
Just having a time.
Huh?
Having a good time.
Down in Melbourne, sunny, warm Melbourne.
This is worse than orange weather. Mate,
not ideal
I'm always
today.
complaining about orange, but nah, this place is filth. Anyway, let's have some fun on the Kairai. Hey, what's that what you call it?
Raikou. Sometimes, yeah.
Get done.
Yo, mate. What up? Welcome to another Lawn Tip.
So, I'm going to have a go on Nick's mow master in a minute.
Mate,
do you
don't
trust
stuff
me?
it up.
Yeah, do you trust me?
I have clipped the reel a few times, so yeah, don't do that to me.
Don't put that pressure on me,
I'll
brother.
send you the invoice.
So, tell me a bit about your backyard. How big is it?
So what we've got here is 470 square metres of Kaiku normally. So I have overseeded with rye for this season, and it's coming up pretty good. Got some proliferate on here 10 or so days ago.
We can see all the ryegrass popping up through here.
A little bit of kike seed head.
A little bit of kike, that's all right though, mate.
Yeah,
it's a good blendy.
I think like the difference in leaf texture is something I've spoken about on my channel as well, is that like it definitely suits the rye overseed better on cooch because of that finer leaf blends much nicer with that finer leaf. But to stand back and yeah, I'm enjoying still 2 to 3 mows a week is really nice. 2 or 3.
which is which is good considering, like, what's the temperature today, like 13, 14 degrees?
Yeah, it's like top of 14 with a feels like of 8 or something, so heaps of rain just about to come.
So we're gonna mow now? Can I mow, please?
Yeah.
Please, sir? Sweet.
Please, sir, may I have some more? Right.
Here's the big dog.
Here he is.
Is it a male or female?
Whatever you want it to be, mate. You got out to catch her today because...
Oh, yes. You don't trust me? You don't trust me?
Huh?
You don't trust me?
No, I trust you with my life, mate. Just not my mow master. With this, if you're lining up the edge of each stripe around about the middle of this black thing, because that's sort of where the main part of the heaviest rear roller there is coming through, because you know, the more you overlap, the more blurred those stripes get. We don't want that, mate. We want them crisp.
Oh, thanks for the tip.
Love bacon.
I appreciate it.
This is your first time?
Yeah, mate. I'm a mow master virgin.
Apart from that, mate, just give her a pull and off you go.
So why is there an extra handle here? Is that just to actually hold it straight?
It's actually quite useful. I use it a fair bit, yeah. I don't know, just generally for turning as well, especially when you're on that side.
Is this custom or it came with it?
It came with it, yeah, I didn't add it. But no, it is handy, like I find myself using it a bit.
Handy.
Very good, Dad.
Thanks, son. Let's see if I can start it first time.
Oh, easy. Bang! Bang! Oh no!
Yep. Oh, am I ruining your stripes? I'm cutting nothing off.
When are you going to mow this strip?
Can I just do, what strip?
This one through the middle.
Tell you what, I call this a charity mow.
Not taking much off?
Because we're taking crap all off. I reckon if I got a cup of teacup and put the clippings in it,
yeah,
wouldn't even touch, fill up the bottom. This is, why are we mowing this?
I'm joking. The stripes, mate.
Just pop those stripes, but yeah, no. Man, that thing, first impressions,
yeah,
I actually really like it.
Happy with it?
It's just got good weight distribution. I actually really like that handle because you can ride it a bit.
Yeah.
And sort of like when you turn around.
You get used to it. That's one thing that I found, because it is 200 kilos. I remember
Doesn't feel like
slip,
200 kilos though.
Yeah, like I remember the packing slip when it turned up was like 206 or 209 or something. But you get used to like putting your weight down at the right time and the twists and turns and everything, and it all becomes a lot more efficient. You had me nervous on that first run.
Nah, mate, you got to trust. I'm a greenkeeper. Doesn't mean anything.
Tell you what, he's doing better than me, because I normally just leave that back corner. Can't be bothered with it. Still keeping the pattern going. All right, all right. he did this to me at his place, rate the stripes. So what do you reckon? How crisp are these lines looking? What do you reckon? You have a thought, maybe put it in the comments. I don't know. Stripe School might have a new student soon, maybe a 6. We'll see what he reckons. Rating out
For
of 10
myself,
for yourself.
before I even look at it.
Just have a good look. No, you got to look at it. Have a good judge.
No,
how much overlap.
The ends are so bad.
The ends?
Look at the ends, like I'm tailing off.
Where you're preparing
Where I'm
to
turning.
Yeah.
I'll give myself a 7.
7?
Is that too much?
That's all right. When you edit, you can see what I gave you.
Look how much it's popping, brother. This gives me like throwback to my old lawn, like even the smell of cut ryegrass.
Yeah.
There's something different about it, eh?
Tell you what, you definitely were taking off a little bit.
We were at the end.
Definitely
the first couple of
taken off
stripes was like nothing, but then actually started spitting something out.
like-
These look good. Even like the backdrop of the garden beds, and then you got your stripes.
Yeah.
Mate, look at that. She's looking good. Not that.
No, you done well, mate.
That.
Done well.
Brother, I am impressed. Nice seeing the spot too, once you've seen it on camera and stuff, like seeing it in person. I had a feeling it was this big because I shoot with cameras like you do.
Yeah.
And you get that wide angle, so you sort of understand perspective because you're
little bit
filming it every
smaller
day.
than
But
actually, yeah.
well, this is, I'd say it looks the same size I thought it would, but I could imagine people would think it looked bigger.
Yeah,
Especially when you had
100%.
those drone shots when you did your like your AFL field and stuff.
Yeah,
if
yeah,
you haven't
yeah.
seen that, actually I'll get some footage off you and put it on the on the
It's
screen.
still pinned on Instagram as well, so that's
Is it?
easy. That's easy. We've got iron cutter here, so yeah, I installed this June the 20th last year.
Yep.
So it's nearly coming up to its first birthday. Did you bring the cake or was I meant to?
I'm not supplying a cake, mate. It's your job.
I probably, to be honest, haven't cut it for a week or so, I
Oh
reckon.
well, it's that time of year, isn't it? But look at that. Like, she's looking good. Nice fine leaf on that iron cutter. I've never actually seen an iron cutter
Yep.
in person, so yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. It's just like as it gets wetter and colder and everything, I'm just noticing it start to thin a little, which is just going to come down, I guess, to age of the lawn. And you know, it's a bit of an island here as well between all the concrete and stuff, so it has gotten pretty wet. So a heavy aeration and sand top dress.
Yep.
Now that I've got nice soil here to work from, because the old soil in the old front yard was yuck. So yeah, it's a good base to work from anyway. I'm enjoying
I like it. Like, it's a cool little outlook, looking across all these areas. Like, it's just, and it really sets apart your front lawn from like even across the road and stuff. Like
the weeds.
There's a lot of kike and there's even a lot of cool season grass around here, which is something I was surprised at. A lot of fescues and chewing fescues and rye, just naturally there, obviously. But
yeah,
this looks, mate, you got to be happy with that. What happened to the edge there, mate?
Oh, we don't show that one on camera.
Too late, mate. What's this, mate?
Oh,
I thought you were trying to get rid of the kike.
No, I don't know. Keep moving.
Can I take that home? So we talked about this last time Nick was at my house, but the reason we're together is we're actually getting some material together and having chats about this new app that we're coming out, or this website where we've got basically something to help personalise the lawn plan for you. So we won't go super in depth today because the release isn't until probably around August.
Yeah, that's what we're aiming for, aren't we? Sort of pre-spring sort of release. Yeah.
Keep an eye out. We'll keep heaps of stuff up on the socials for you guys, but that's the reason I'm here at Nick's today, and just to check out your grass, mate, honestly.
Why didn't we look at the buff too much, mate? Is there any reason for that?
Oh, buff just smells a bit weird. But yeah, no, so we'll give you guys lots of info coming up, but we're really looking forward to it. We've been working on it heaps in the background. Nick's been smashing out a ton of stuff too in the background, and just, yeah, we're training it, and there's a lot of problems that are coming up which we're fixing, so we're going to have a pretty solid program at the end of the day.
And that's what we've talked about, I guess, and we probably talked about last time, but yeah, rather than a cookie cutter, like if you're in Melbourne, buy this plan or whatever, it's personalised, so you can fill in the questionnaire for your soil, what weeds you have, and it'll recommend the exact herbicide, or if you need a seed or turf, it'll give you a turf laying guide, or whatever you need in whatever situation. So just that personalised nature to really tailor it to what you answer in the questionnaire. Like, yeah, we're excited for it. Heaps going into it, and
heaps. That's an Aussie word.
Heaps.
And that'll be good. It'll be good. Right, brother. Thanks for having me over.
Thanks for coming to look at the buff,
mate. No worries. This is, honestly though, it is actually pretty nice. I'll be honest. It reminds me kind of my old fescue lawn. Like, it's got that real nice dark green, like lush look.
I like it here, mate. I keep it real simple. I mow it at 60 mil. I do half rate of granular fert every 5 or so weeks.
Looks good.
Wetting agent 3 or 4 times in summer, and just
bit of
pre-emergent.
Pigment in the winter.
Yeah, happy days. Yeah, it's a nice patch this one. But
it's nice.
Thanks for standing on it. I thought you might vomit and instantly.
Well, I'm holding one back, to be honest. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. We'll see yous. I don't know when we'll see yous.
We'll see you sometime.
We'll see yous.
Somewhere.